Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we are going to make lemon pepper kebabs. Okay, for this what we're going to need is about 2 pounds of chicken, 2 tablespoons of this lemon pepper right here, and this is fajita seasoning. Now in this thing there is everything in this. So what happens is once this goes into it, it gives a nice flavor, and then a rind of a lime like this, and the juice of this lime. So let's start. Okay, that's that. Now I'm gonna put the rind of this. Now I got this recipe from a friend of mine it's a fantastic recipe to finish, and believe me, this recipe really amazing one. So once you put all this rind into this, then you cut half of this thing. You cut the whole juice of it and let it sit down for about at least 24 hours with this marinade. Okay, so now I'm going to squeeze the juice out of this lime, which is here, and then just mix it with no oil, no nothing, and let it sit for about a day. Now we didn't add any salt or pepper in that. The fajita seasoning thing has salt, pepper, everything in that, so no need of adding excess salt, otherwise it will get very salty. Here we go. So just mix it really well. That's it, and let it sit for a day now. Okay guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. So we have marinated this for almost a day now. This is our lemon pepper chicken, and you can see the green pepper inside there. And what you do is just mix this again, back again. Well, and what I'm gonna do, my charcoal is almost lit up. So with this, we're gonna use small skewers, thin skewers. All you do is just take this here. Look at these cubes. Just put them together, and all the way through. About 7, 8. My grill is about this big, so I'm gonna put it about 6 inches maximum. So that will be 2 skewers. Here we go. So like this, you have to keep them close together, otherwise what will happen is this will kind of melt away. I mean, it will get overcooked, a very dry chicken, so you don't want to get it really dried all the way through. You want to be a little moist. So this is enough, and this is what you got to do. Repeat, they say, in process with another skewer, or all of the meat is over. So now our grill is really nice and hot. You can see that the charcoal is nice and gray. That's when you know that it is hot, and I can feel it. So you can put your 3 skewers really well close to each other and let it sit down. Turn it, don't constantly turn it over and over again. So let it cook really well, each side at least for 5 minutes, so that it's cooked. Okay guys, so you can see this thing, we just brushed it with little olive oil, and this is all cooked, all white, and it is done. Now my charcoal was really slow and everything. So if your heat is about 400 degrees, it's going to take about 5 minutes on each side, all around like that. Keep on skewering, and mine is ready now. So this is what it's going to look like, and then we're going to take it off the grill now, all three of them, and I'll show you how to take it out. Here we go. This is what it is right here. I'm going to take it off from the skewer. Let's go inside and take it off the skewer. Voila, this is ready. Now this is our lemon pepper kebabs. You just take it off like that and see how beautiful they are. And this is it. Okay guys, so y'all saw this recipe of the chicken with lemon pepper. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!